Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update lease renewals with RentRedi step by step clearly. To begin updating lease renewals with RentRedi, log into your RentRedi account. Navigate to the Leases section located in the main dashboard. Select the property for which you want to update the lease renewal. Click on the specific lease you wish to edit. Locate the option for lease renewal within the lease details. Review the current lease terms and decide if any changes are needed. Input the new lease start date and end date. Adjust the rent amount if there are any changes in the pricing. Make sure to update any relevant fees or deposits associated with the lease. Review the tenant's information to ensure accuracy. If necessary, modify the lease terms to reflect any new conditions. Once all changes are made, double-check the updated lease for accuracy. After confirming all details are correct, save the changes. You will see a confirmation message indicating the lease has been updated. If you want to notify your tenant, find the option to send an update notification. Select the appropriate communication method to inform the tenant of the renewal. Finalize the process by ensuring all documentation is stored for future reference. Stay organized by tracking the lease renewal within the RentRedi dashboard. This ensures you are prepared for any future renewals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.